Welcome to another episode. Now today we'll be programming a brand new out-of-the-box key fob purchased off Amazon for 15 bucks and the scan tool required to make it all work. So what I'm going to do is record the screen. This scan tool is unbelievable. It's really a dealer level scan tool at a DIY price. And I uploaded a video last week on this scan tool if you want to check it out. So not only can we program a key fob, this vehicle is 19 years old, 19. And you may think, wow, that's pretty darn old. Why do you need this? Well, we need it in this case on the CTSV, but you can also do many other functions. If you want to program your ECU for whatever the reason, if you want to do bi-directional control, what that means is if you want to activate any ABS at any wheel, you want to check the cooling fans, you want to check your door locks, you want to check why you don't have a light coming on or turning off on the dash, you can do limitless things with this. And $330, I know it's a lot of money, but for $330 using it twice, you got your money back, you really do. So system selection, and every vehicle this is going to read a little bit differently. I tried this off camera just to find the right function. And in this case, it is remote function actuation. Now, regarding how much this will cost without a scan tool, the local special functions, the local locksmith charges $150. So if this is your only thing that you'll ever do, pay the $150. But if you're a DIYer, you need this. You really, really do. The dealership, interestingly enough, program key fobs, he said that the cost starts at $299. Now, what does that mean? I don't know. Is this vehicle $299 or is it $499? I don't know. So, of course, you're better off at the locksmith. So, okay, let's rock and roll here. So, in this case, I just want to do one key. Now, it just unlocked all the doors. So we're going to press and hold the lock and unlock now. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now this cycled lock and unlock after a few seconds, and it's saying just hold it, and I'm just holding these buttons anyway, just in case. So I don't know once it cycles, usually that's it, you're done. But just in case, I'm just holding on. That's why you see the timer going up to close to 7 minutes. It's like anything else. With these tools, you sort of have to use them a couple times to figure everything out. But a few more seconds and we'll see how we turn out. Yes, program successful. Well, let's see. It works. Lock, unlock. Perfect. Let's try the trunk. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Like I said in the previous video, I will have a playlist, or I do have a playlist that you will find below. So this will now be the second video for this scan tool. And over time, I'll keep adding videos, which just to give you one more idea, because this recently came up, you know, these old GM products, man, it's just the build quality is not the greatest. When I first turn on the vehicle, what I first thought, so at first I thought a CD was stuck here. It just sounded like the radio was attempting to read a disc, but it's really this guy right here. And what's happening, let me see if I can get this on camera for you guys. Now, as you can see, there's no CD in here. So I quickly jumped over to the scan tool, just like before, an auto search, and the scan tool picked up the fault code. So not only can you record the screen, you can take screenshots. And I took a screenshot of the issue, airflow position command. So in other words, the diverter, that's what it sounds like to me. So in other words, do you want the air to come out through the front vent, your legs, the defroster? That's having an issue. And because this is bi-directional, the next step for me is to start commanding the diverter and pinpoint where the problem is. So it just goes to show you, and not only can you program a key fob, You can do limitless things with this scan tool. As always, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.